Yo, what's up guys, it's Caliber, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to slow-mo a clip that was recorded at 24 frames per second. Alright, I know what you're thinking. Slowing down a clip that was recorded at 24 frames per second almost seems impossible, right? I've been in many situations where I would try and slow down even a 30 frames per second clip and it would still look skippy, laggy, it just didn't look good. So if you can relate, I know this video is going to be helpful. And as of right now, I know it works for Premiere Pro. I don't know if it works for any other applications, but if you come to find out that this effect is in your video editing software other than Premiere Pro, let me know. Alright guys, enough talking, let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so I have 3 clips on my timeline. They're all recorded at 24 frames per second, as you can see, frame rate 24. Then the second one is at 24, and then the third one is at 23.98, which is 24 basically. If you were to just play it at regular speed, it looks normal, right? But let's say you wanted to slow it down some more. Let's go ahead and reduce the speed by 50%. And if we play it, it looks super choppy. It looks pretty bad, right? Like you can't really use it. So the fix is actually creating an in and an out point in the video clip that you want to slow down. And you want to right click, go over to time interpolation, then click on optical flow. Now if you were to play that without rendering it in, it still looks the same. So the key here is you have to render it in. Now as you can see, when you enable optical flow and you render that into the clip, it fixes the lag and the skips and stuff like that. Although it doesn't look entirely perfect on some clips, it does the job pretty well. So let's go ahead and do the next video. Now we got a clip here of Portland, Oregon. This is at regular speed of 100%. And let's go ahead and slow that down to 50%. And if we play it back, it looks pretty bad, right? Choppy. So create the in and out point, right click, time interpolation, optical flow, render it in, and you get this. It's pretty smooth. You can use the clip. There's been many times where I wanted to slow down a clip that was already recorded at like 30 frames per second, even 24 frames per second. I just can't slow it down because it will look pretty bad. So now I'm actually able to slow down any clip no matter what the FPS was set to. So let's go ahead and do the last clip. This is a clip at a cafe in Rome. This is at 100% speed. Looks pretty normal. Slow it down to 50%. Here, no. Let's do 35. Let's do 35%. See how bad this looks. Looks pretty bad, right? Right click, optical flow, sequence, in and out. I don't know what else to say. Because of this effect, you're able to slow down almost any clip, and then you won't even lose that much of the quality, like hardly any quality. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, let me know. And as always guys, it's your boy Caliber. Peace.